phone ng Infinix and it promises smooth performance at an affordable price. So silipin natin ang phone na to. Hi everyone, this is Ruth and today I'm sharing with you our first thoughts on Infinix Note 30 5G. So let's begin! Pagdating sa gaming, ang unang pumapasok sa isip natin is, kaya ba niyang makipagsabayan sa laro natin? Mabilis ba siya? Meron ba siyang lags and glitches? And kaya ba niyang sumabay sa high graphics ng game? So for this video, i-share ko sa inyo yung experience namin when we tested out this phone. So let's see how it performs. Isa sa mga favorite mobile games ko is Call of Duty and it requires a lot of maneuvering. And ang gusto ko din dito is putting it in high settings and also realistic mode. Alam ko mas takaw siya sa battery pero mas madaling mahanap yung kalaban mo kapag nag-aim ka. And ang natuwa ko dito is hindi siya nag-overheat and wala ding lag or glitches yung laro ko. Next up, we tried it with Asphalt 9 at dito ko napansin yung display ng phone. Maganda yung graphics niya and very vibrant yung colors and also kitang-kita yung details. The phone has a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus display and it also comes with a punch hole and a 120Hz dynamic refresh rate. I'm sure perfect din to when it comes to watching videos on YouTube and Netflix. Infinix also partnered with MLBB sa phone na to, so syempre tinry namin siya sa Mobile Legends. And sobrang smooth maglaro ng Mobile Legends with this phone, wala siyang glitches, and maganda yung graphics niya even at high settings. And this is all because the Note 30 has a 5G MediaTek Dimensity 6080 processor and up to 16GB extended RAM, and the model we have has a 256GB internal storage. Meron din tong 5000 mAh mega battery, so you won't worry about it running out of juice with your gameplay. Plus, it also comes with a 45-watt all-around fast charge when you need to power up. And napansin ko that the speakers are really good. JBL yung ginamit nila dito and hindi siya tunog lata even on high volume settings. This provides pretty good sound while playing. The phone is also comfortable to use pagdating sa gaming. Medyo mabigat siya i-compare natin sa other Infinix phones na na-try namin, pero sakto lang naman yung kapal niya, so comfortable pa rin siyang gamitin while gaming at hindi naman nakakangalay. The bezels are also smooth and sleek, and the model we got is Interstellar Blue, so it's kinda like an iridescent finish na nag-change yung hues niya whenever light touches it. It has the SIM tray on one side, at sa kabila naman makikita natin yung bezels niya. When you flip down the phone, makikita natin that we have the earphone jack still at the bottom, so this is actually good news para sa mga gumagamit pa rin ng wired earphones, and we have our Type-C charger port. For the camera design naman, you get the usual design with two huge lenses, pero they are evenly balanced naman when they position it sa phone, so hindi naman siya nakaka-off. Pagdating naman sa camera, you're getting a 108-megapixel main shooter, 2-megapixel ultra-wide, and AI triple camera. Selfie camera is 16 megapixels. Based sa shots na nakuha namin, as usual, the camera performs best in well-lit situations. May tendency nga lang siya magmukhang over-processed at times, pero it's still social media worthy naman. Pagdating naman sa low light settings, we recommend na gamitin nyo yung super night mode para mas kita yung details or else magiging medyo oversaturated yung pictures nyo. Now, after hearing about the features, syempre gusto nyo malaman kung magkano nga ba ang phone na to. Unfortunately, at this time, hindi pa namin alam kung magkano nga yung presyo niya. Pero since Infinix promises smooth gaming performance that comes with affordability, we expect that they will be aggressive pagdating sa pricing nila. And if this is the case, we would have to say na mas sulit talaga yung pagbili nyo sa phone na to. And that's it for me today. Again, this has been Ruth of Unbox PH and nag-enjoy ako sa paglalaro ko today. And to be honest, napuyat ako gabi kakalaro ng Call of Duty. And if ito ang next gaming phone mo, comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Bye!